Natural by Dr. Alamayo. Do you want to control your blood sugar naturally? Today, I will show you the best foods, habits, and activities that stabilize your glucose and protect your health. What is blood sugar and why control it? Blood sugar is the amount of glucose circulating in your bloodstream. Your body uses it for energy, but when it gets too high or too low, it causes fatigue, weight gain, excessive hunger, and can lead to diabetes complications. But the good news are you can control it naturally with the right daily habits. Foods that help control blood sugar. The food that help control blood sugar includes high fiber foods. High fiber foods slow glucose release. Fiber slow down sugar absorption and preventing spikes. The best examples of foods rich in high fiber are 1. Lentils, quinoa, broccoli, berries, barley, carrots, oats, beans, spinach, apples, pears, and brown rice are high fiber foods. Therefore, you should have this type of foods in your daily meal. The second one is healthy fats. Healthy fats foods improve insulin sensitivity. Some of the examples of healthy fats foods include olive oil, chia seeds, avocado, almonds, flax seeds, and walnuts. These types of foods are very important to improve insulin sensitivity. Therefore, you should have this type of foods in your daily meal. The third one is lean proteins. Lean proteins keep sugar stable. The best examples of foods with lean proteins are legumes, chicken breasts, salmon fish, sardines fish, yogurt, and eggs are the foods which are very important to keep sugar stable. The other foods are foods with slow glycemic index. These foods keep blood sugar stable. Examples of this kind of foods includes berries, whole grain bread, non-starchy vegetables, sweet potatoes, and lentils are foods with low glycemic index, and they are very important to control blood sugar naturally. The others are cinnamon. The cinnamon is helps increase insulin sensitivity. And the other food type is ginger. Ginger lowers fasting blood sugar, and garlic improves metabolic health. Moringa is known for lowering glucose, and the fenugreek seeds, the fenugreek seeds are high in soluble fibers. And the other one is drinks that help to control blood sugar. There are different drinks that control blood sugar. Some of them are: 1. Water. Water is best for preventing glucose concentration. The other one is lemon water, unsweetened coffee, and hibiscus tea are drinks that help to control blood sugar. For example, if you consider water, it is recommended to drink 6 to 8 glasses or 1.5 to 2 liters of plain water daily at minimum. And also, you can increase it to 2.5 to 3 liters if you live in hot climates. And again, if you live or if you are physically active, and also if you sweat a lot, and also if you eat salty foods, you can take 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily. But to control your blood sugar naturally, you should limit the following foods, like white bread, white rice, sugary drinks, processed snacks, cakes, cookies, biscuits, and fast foods. You should limit these foods from your daily meal to control your blood sugar naturally. Activities that help control blood sugar. The activities that help to control blood sugar includes walking, jogging, cycling, skipping, and aerobics are activities that help to control our blood sugar naturally. It is important to just 30 minutes a day improves insulin sensitivity. That means if you do these activities just for 30 minutes a day, it is very important to improve insulin sensitivity. So you should do these activities daily. The other one is strength or resistance training. Muscles use glucose even when you are not working out. But doing an activities like strength resistance training is very important uh, to reduce or control the blood sugar level naturally. For example, the resistance training includes push-ups, squats, lightweight lifting are some of the activities which help to reduce or control our glucose or blood glucose to the normal level by natural means. The other one is stress reducing activities. Stress hormones rise blood sugar. Therefore, relaxing brings it down. So, To bring this down stress hormones, it is important to do stress reducing activities like meditations, deep breathing, and yoga are stress reducing activities. This help us to uh, relaxing ourselves, and this helps to uh, reduce the stress hormones or can relax down these hormones or stress hormones. Then the other one is quality sleep. Quality sleep is again very important in controlling our uh, blood sugar naturally. For example, 7 to 8 hours of sleep keeps your hormones in balance and controls hunger. Therefore, you should take 7 to 8 hours of sleep per day in 24 hours. The other one is daily habits to maintain normal blood sugars. To maintain normal blood sugar, you should eat small, balanced meals every 3 to 4 hours. And you should avoid skipping breakfast. You should drink at least 8 glasses of water. And you should reduce sugary foods. You should increase fiber-rich foods. Monitor your blood sugar regularly if needed. And maintain a healthy body weight. Conclusion: controlling your blood sugar is not about avoiding foods. It is about choosing the right food and staying active. Small daily steps create huge long-term results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips. Thank you.